Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Tarfajan, and like uh, and I'm a developer in the LPLC, and I need to make a livewire tutorial and playlist for task for Mr. Daddy. Alright, this is my first video. Is introduction for livewire. This is the livewire, and you can see docs. Quick start livewire. You can install livewire, create a component, include the component, view it in the browser, add further functionality, show it in the browser. First, install livewire. This is a code for install livewire. Composer require livewires as livewire, and include the JavaScript on every page that will be using livewire. Livewire style, head, body, and script. Create a component, run the following command to generate a new livewire component for folder. PHP artisan make a livewire counter. Right. And you can see in screencast to see the video uh, video for Apple, and this is not play. Okay, this is a livewire, and you can couple with laravel, and I'm like laravel livewire with laravel 11 version. Okay, in terminal you can see commercial regular livewire subscribe, and you can enter and wait for this text. And the success is this download and install. Alright, thank you for watching my first tutorial live here. Thank you very much, and see you next time in new my video. Thank you and see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.